Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you are getting this error, Steam connection error would not connect to the Steam network. Just to hit the quit to come to back from this error message. After that, I will provide best proven solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily resolve and prevent it. So don't waste your time. Let's go get the solution. First solution I recommended. So you can go to the Windows search bar, type the task manager. You will click to open. Here you can see in the any running Steam just removed from this task manager, so you can go to the in the search bar and type steam. Just right click to remove from the this this task manager. Just click on it. Just right click again, click the enter task to remove from this task manager. After done, then you close it. Then you can go to do it the next step. The next step integrated with steam and system. So you can go to that shortcut game and select and right click. Then you can go to select the properties. Here you can go to click on the calculator tab. Then you need to select run this program calculator mode. Below you need to select the run this program as administrator and select the disable full screen optimization. Then hit the apply and OK to save. Then close it. After that you can go to reset internet connection. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type the settings. Here you will click to open. Then here then you can go to click on the network and internet. Then scroll down. Then navigate the advanced network settings. Then inside you can go to select the network reset. Just click here. Here there are reset now button. Just click to reset. Wait until 5 minutes. After that automatically it will be resolved automatically. So after the restarted, then you can go to open the Steam, then relaunch the game. After relaunch the your Steam, then your problem will be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.